Welcome back to my channel, Ramir Boulder. Ito po ang report. Ihatid ko po sa inyo yung mm, Hurricane Katrina, Category 5. Ano po? Gaano po ba kalakas ito? Ngayon po ay sinasalanta ng malakas na hurricane ang bansang Jamaica. Ano? Papakita ko po sa inyo ang video. Ito po ang report.
Hour. Authorities are calling this life-threatening. The images coming in at this hour, the strongest storm to ever make landfall on the island.
The strongest storm pala ito. Ano po?
Reports of damage coming in now. Residents and tourists riding out the storm, up to 40 inches of rain possible. Homes and structures destroyed, boats lifted out of the water, power lines crashing down. Videos circulating online tonight showing major damage to a hospital, metal and power lines blocking the exit, the road leading to the hospital unpassable tonight. Residents and
Biro mo,
tourists, many taking shelter. Reports that resorts there are now converting ballrooms and auditoriums to make room. Hurricane Melissa, right now a Category 4, now on track to make its second landfall in Cuba in just hours, then the Bahamas. Ginger Z standing by with this new track. Ike Ajachi leading us off from Kingston, Jamaica tonight.
Tonight, families on the island nation of Jamaica in the eye of the storm.
Bumaha na po ron, no? Nalunod na po yung kotse.
Facing the strongest hurricane they've ever seen. Category 5 Melissa, packing 185-mile-an-hour winds, slamming ashore this afternoon near the town of New Hope in southwestern Jamaica. Local resident Daniel Barnes shooting these videos in St. Elizabeth Parish as Melissa made landfall, documenting the ferocious winds. Just listen. In Black River, videos circulating online showing major damage to the local hospital, sheet metal and power lines blocking the exit. Not far from
Ang Category 5 po pala ang lakas ng hurricane ay ang katumbas dito po sa atin ay 253 kilometer per hour o mas mataas pa po doon. Ito po ngayon ang nararanasan dito sa bansang Jamaica at bansang Cuba hanggang papunta po ng Bahamas. Ano po? Sustained wind 157 to 253 kilometer per hour or higher. Ano? Storm surge, catastrophic damage and flooding expected. Damage, catastrophic damage to building, infrastructure and vegetation. Category 5 hurricane are extremely dangerous and can cause devastating wind damage. Building and bridges can collapse. Ano? Catastrophic flooding, storm surge can inundate coastal areas, extended power outages can occur. Some notable Category 5 hurricane includes, ito po ang mga listahan na po ng pinakamalalakas na Category 5 hurricane. Ano? Hurricane Andrew 1992, Hurricane Katrina 2005, Hurricane Dorian 2019, at saka po itong Hurricane uh, Melissa, no? 2025, ano? Oh, when a Category 5 hurricane is forecasted, it's essential to follow evacuation order and take necessary precaution to ensure safety. Mas malakas po pala ito kung ikukumpara mo sa mga bagyong dumaan dito sa atin, ano? Wala pa lang sinabi yung mga bagyo dito sa atin na dumaan, ano? Patuloy po tayo.
From there, boats running aground in Great Bay, wind and rain howling in the hills, waves pushing walls of water on shore.
Take a look at this storm surge, 13 feet in some spots, affecting the entire southern coastline of Jamaica.
Authorities warning no infrastructure can survive these winds, begging everyone who didn't evacuate to stay put.
Jamaica, this is not the time to be brave.
Some areas could get up to 40 inches of rain, Melissa cutting a path of destruction across the island all the way to Montego Bay.
Oh,
Hotels
napakalakas po.
packing stranded tourists and staff into ballrooms and auditoriums.
They're starting to board up some glass doors.
Deborah Shields from Houston is stuck at her hotel outside Montego Bay.
Pray that we get home. Like at this point, at the end of the prayer, right before you say amen, say, I pray that they all can get a flight home.
U.S. Air Force hurricane hunters flying into Melissa, reporting they were forced to abort another mission today because the turbulence was so strong.
May, may lumilipad pong eroplano sa ibabaw po ng bagyo eh. Oh, panoorin po ninyo. Kanila pong kino-cover itong lakas talaga at yung kapal ng ulap nakikita po rito sa monitor.
Biologists who flew this mission said it was both stunning to see and horrifying to think about the damage it will cause. As Melissa tears across Jamaica, Cuba is next. Authorities are now racing to move some 500,000 people to higher ground tonight.
David, the center of Melissa has now moved off the coast of Jamaica, but strong winds and storm surge persist. Damage assessments are underway, and authorities are hoping they'll be able to
ito na yung storm surge.
The main airport here in Kingston to start flying relief flights by Thursday. David?
All right, Ike Ajachi and the team there on Jamaica's island. Thank you for your coverage. Let's get right to Chief Meteorologist Ginger Z. The latest track is in. Ginger, what do you see?
Yeah, there have only been 2 other hurricanes in all of recorded history that have made landfall with this strong of winds. So really, in the Atlantic Basin, this one stands out. But the next couple of hours, they'll still have impacts on Jamaica. We've lost the eye. That doesn't mean much for Cuba, though. You're still going to have a major hurricane making landfall, I'd say, between midnight and 2 a.m. So
sa image po nato, nandito na yung Hurricane Hurricane Melissa dito sa may Cuba. Oh. Papunta na ng Bahamas. Magkakahilera po kasi itong mga bansang ito sa Caribbean nation. Oh.
Let's time it out. Some of the heaviest winds the strongest winds and the heaviest rain are going to come through again in that overnight into early morning hours.
Dito pala, catastrophic flooding, numerous landslide. 8 to 12 feet storm surge, destructive winds. Mas malakas pa palang bagyo sa kanila kaysa sa atin.
Then Wednesday afternoon, Exuma, Long Island, the central Bahamas picking up the worst of it as at least a Cat 2, if not a little stronger. So we'll be moving that to the north and east, and I'll show you that in a moment. But we're still...
Ito yung epekto ng climate change, mga kababayan, dahil nga sa sobrang paggamit, sa sobrang highly urbanized na nation, yung mga binubuga ng kanilang mga factory, ito po ang epekto. Napakalalakas na bagyo ang mararanasan po natin. Pero dapat tayo naman hindi naman tayo malakas gumamit. Dapat yung mga malalakas gumamit gaya ng Europa, US, itong China, dapat sila na lang ang ma-devastated ng malalakas na bagyo, tayo namang mahihina gumamit, bakit pati tayo nadadamay? Kasi nga, siyempre, yung tinatawag na bagyo. Malalakas na bagyo, pag tag-araw naman, tagtuyot. Yan po ang tinatawag na climate change, Tayo ang naapektuhan, yung mga pulupulong bansa, kagaya nito, mga island nation, Haiti, Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas, at may mga maliliit pang isla rito. Ito talaga, pag dumaan na yung bagyo dyan, wipe out yan. Kung mas malakas pa sa Hurricane 5. Ano po? Napakadelikado po ang mga ganyang bagyo. Hurricane 5 category Melissa. Kasalukuyang sumasalanta ngayon sa mga bansang Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas, Haiti. Ayan po, Okay. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Ano po ang inyong opinion? Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-like and subscribe sa aking channel, Ramir Boulder, for the latest update and exciting content. Marami pong salamat at mabuhay po kayo.